So, Deepika, tell me that it's been your 20 years of journey, like being a pediatrician, and now, as far as I know, that since last 10 years you are practicing as a developmental pediatrician. So, during this whole, just to complete your practicing time, that how do you think that the parents' perceptions have changed? So, how with what kind of questions now they come, and what change do you see in the society now?
See, earlier when I was doing general pediatrics, I mean, it was more a well baby clinic with vaccination visits and all that. What was happening was that the main question the parent was asking me was about the growth.
Yeah.
And for physical growth, I mean basically the weight, कि इसका वजन बराबर बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं बढ़ रहा है. Sometimes it will come for gross motor, कि ये जो है 1 साल का हो गया, वो चलता नहीं है, तो क्या यहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं. But beyond that, not much. Now what I'm seeing as a developmental pediatrician, initially it was again not much from the parent side. The children were referred because they were having developmental delays, or we were catching them when we were doing the high risk newborn clinic and all that. But situation is seriously changing nowadays. The parents are realizing that development is also important. We are getting children whose parents are walking in that way something is wrong with the kid. ये 15 months का है, ये बोल नहीं रहा है, ये 15 months का है, ये पॉइंटिंग नहीं कर रहा है, या ये आई कांटेक्ट नहीं दे रहा है. ऑल दैट थिंग्स हैव स्टार्टेड कमिंग. कम है, इट इज़ नॉट टू द लेवल इट शुड बी देयर. दैट मच ऑफ अवेयरनेस इज स्टिल नॉट देयर, बट एटलीस्ट इट हैज स्टार्टेड.
So, Deepika, मैंने ये देखा है, in like when I deal with these kind of kids, that acceptance नहीं है parents में. आपके पास आ जाते हैं, दे कम टू यू, मेरे पास भी आते हैं, दे से कि ऐसा ऐसा है, बट द सेम टाइम उनके साथ में एक सेंटेंस ऐड होता है कि हम वेट कर लेते हैं, ये ठीक हो जाएगा. डिस्पाइट आर एक्सप्लेनिंग देम दैट अर्ली इंटरवेंशन कितना ज़रूरी है, वी कांट लूज टाइम, बट स्टिल दे वांट टू वेट वेट वेट. हाउ डू यू कोप अप विद दिस?
Waiting is again the same, that there are parents who are very very aware that something is going on. See, what has to be done is parents need to be sensitized. It is the way every branch of medicine works. They have to be sensitized that development always has an upper limit of normal. Waiting is something कि वो time से आ जाएगा is not the way development works. It has an upper limit of normal कि by this age this milestone has to be achieved. If it is beyond that, then you are getting delayed, so maybe do something about it in time. And the sensitization that early intervention will give you much better result than what you will do later on has to be there. And as simple as that, that parent education has to be there about it. And they are now realizing, like I'm saying again and again, now many parents are walking in. It may be only 10%, but it is 10% is still there.
And how do you see this? Like in the book, I have talked about the brain, and the first 3 years of life are very important. And how do you see that, like, early intervention in the first 3 years of life does make a difference?
Obviously, now even so, there's a concept of neuroplasticity, that there is a window period during which if we are doing something, the development will be much better. So first 3 years is actually that window period for development for many parameters. It is for sensory system, for the language system, even for the motor system. It is the window period for that. Even in countries like US, where actually everything is in a very different manner altogether. Even first 3 years, even there they are providing early intervention services by the state.
And how much do you feel, as a pediatrician, developmental pediatrician, that talking to the child does make a lot of difference? Because these days, we get to talk very less. We get tired talking,
It
on
is
the.
actually not tired talking, it is a lot about the screen time also. So there is an entity called virtual autism, in which the child is showing signs of autism because of so much exposure to media, and movement the home environment is changed, and the what you say the media usage is reduced, and the parents are taught to talk with the child, to play with the child, to spend time with the child. A lot of difference takes place on its own also, and the rest is then is covered by the interventions which the child needs.